Well, we've got the Midland 77810, I think it is, 77810 Ready Rescue UK version, of course, for these people who are in other countries. And we did the servicing video of this one, which I bought off eBay, running it on the base aerial as usual, and we're doing the usual on the air test. Tomorrow we'll do a field test where Mr. Chippie takes us out in the car with the factory original antenna from the kit, and we do a range test that way round. And at base here we'll use my Rotel RVC230. So this is the on the air test, and let's see whether he's out there. It's very awkward to do this kind of thing on a video, and I don't really want to be talking like this. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Hello there, managed to get the right channel then.
Ah, good stuff.
Had to put the knob on in the right place, you see.
Very good. Right, coming up 10 minute lane.
Roger, got you the end of the lane.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at the service station.
Right, we're now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilford over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner loud and clear. This radio does 3.2 watts over.
Roger that, well, it sounds fine.
Roger.
Right, we're now going over Wilford Level Crossing.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger, that's excellent for Grayleys.
Tango 21 from Mississippi. We're now going over Rotel Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, that's loud and clear. Thank you for the test. That concludes.
Roger that, 10-10.
10-10. Well, you know, who can argue with that? It's just perfect, isn't it? And you think, well, why don't we get that kind of clarity on the new sets? And that's because they put one filter in to share between the AM and the FM circuits, because they're including AM for the CPT set of channels. And the whole thing is making them inferior. So no wonder I love these, and we'll just see how it sounds on my base station. I don't know whether that's good or whether that's bad. We're going to find out. I don't think I've ever listened to one before. So that's it, the Midland 77810 Ready Rescue. I'll be looking forward to doing the field test on that.
Tango 21 testing the Midland 77810 Ready Rescue emergency set into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And thank you for watching.